Men make international wars endlessly. The world can be a better place without men. How about women? Women make internal wars with mother-in-laws hopelessly. The worst thing in life is children die. That's the saddest thing on earth. Not just for mothers and fathers, for everybody. Children die is the saddest thing, right? But it's so crazy. Governments do that. They hunt other people's children and send them to the jungles or deserts or into the ocean. And then on top of it, they tell you to kill other people's children. Remember, it doesn't matter if you're 20 years old or 40 years old. She or he is somebody's kid. Hello, children. I like babies because babies don't choose people. They have no borders, even including dogs and birds and squirrels. Everybody is their friend, right? I love it. And by, I don't know if you're 10 or 15 now, maybe you started building these walls, borders with other people. And let's not be like that. See, when you look at adults, they have so many borders. They don't deal with the people across the border. They choose, even when you play soccer or anything, you choose, is he rich? Is she poor? That kind of thing. Let's not be like that. We should never have borders in your mind. Borders are built here, border lines are drawn there because there is a border in your mind. Many people's hearts are dry. Wet them. Give them water. Hello. My boxing class is to help you get stronger, but also it is to help everybody in the world be stronger, and they dream their dreams, follow their dreams, and we need your help. Every punch will be a bowl of rice for the people who don't have enough to eat. Thank you.